Hey there, my name's Nadernejad. I'm the owner of the full-service digital marketing agency, Nadernejad Media. We create positive media and eliminate negative media. Today's video is going to be about the number one thing that you can do to boost your online reputation. This is without hiring anybody like me. This is simply with one proven trick: publish content. You need to publish content, and that content has to have your name in it. People don't get that. You have negative content right now on Google, if you do, ranking high, because A, the website has a high domain authority. It's a powerful website. It's a news site. Google trusts it. So what you're going to have to do is create more trusted content about your brand to show Google, like, hey, when people look up my name, when people look up my business, this is more relevant. So what you need to do is focus on A, long form content, B, publishing aggressively. You want to publish on the networks. I have a video outlining all the networks I think you should be publishing on. And just to name a few of them, you should build your own personal website. You should publish your brand or your business on Crunchbase. You should write articles with your name in it on Medium. You should post pictures on Pinterest and title them with your name. You should create videos on Vimeo, which is similar to YouTube, but it's actually a platform for more artistic people who watch videos. So put videos on there. Create a business. Go to mybusiness.google.com and launch a business on the Google Knowledge Graph. Put in your address. Title the business your name. I don't know what your industry is. If it's plumbing, put your first and last name and put plumbing after it. Even if it's not a legitimate business, just to have it rank. Okay, go answer questions on Quora. Even now in 2020, start a MySpace, okay? You just want as many links as possible to be ranking, and then you want to start publishing content. So if you have that website, start putting, content on your blog, and just keep going. Like, don't look at it. Put your head down and create content. If you're busy, you can have someone do it for you. You can hire out to, content writers or blog writers. I recommend understanding how it works first, understanding how to launch a LinkedIn, write articles on LinkedIn with your name on it, understand how it works so you can hire it out really cheaply. Hire someone in another country to do it. Or if you're looking for something a little bit more professional and on brand, that's where I come in. But obviously I'm a little bit more expensive, a lot more expensive, because I'm creating long form journalistic content about your brand and then aggressively publishing that on high authority publishers. So like when you pay me to do the work, I don't get to keep your project budget. I actually use some of that to hire publishers. So that's going to be a higher ticket price, but you can do it by yourself. You don't need somebody like me. You can do it for free. In the case that you do need help, my number, like directly, you're going to get me on WhatsApp, and my email, they're all in the description below. I'm happy to just answer questions for free if they're simple questions, and you can also comment down below. So if this video helped you and it's given you some idea about how to outrank negative links, I recommend subscribing and checking out the other videos. This is just one video resource alone, but I have many other videos that I think will help you and will make things a lot easier. So my name's Nadernejad, and thank you for watching.